Okay, hello, this is Mr. Nolet, and we're going to be talking about worksheet 12-3, and this is worksheet 12-3, not 12-2. So let's look at number 8. I'm going to do, actually I'm going to do number 3. So let's look at number 3 first. We want to prove those two cylinders are similar. So we're going to look at the linear units, the height, corresponding heights, which is 16 into 10, which reduces to 8 to 5. Then we're going to look at the radii, and the radii is 7 to 4. These two are not the same, so two cylinders are not similar. Let's look at another example, and we'll go down to number, so anyway, 3, 4, 5, and 6, pardon me, are all the same, so you can do those using your notes from Tuesday and the example I just did in number 3. Let's go down to number 8. We're going to go down to number 8 here. I'll circle it. This is the one we're going to work on. So in number 8, we really need to find the surface area and the volume of the missing solid. So it says, use the scale factor. Solid A shown is similar to solid B not shown with this given scale factor of A to B. Find the surface area and volume of solid B. So in order to use the scale factor, we're going to do two different calculations. We're going to talk about surface area first. Calculate that. That's going to be 1 squared over 2 squared equals 150 pi over x. And then we're going to cross multiply. So when we do that, cross multiply, and we get an x of 1884.96 inches squared. And then we're going to do number 8. We're also going to do the volume, and we'll do that over here. So the volume, this is number 8, this is number 8. Volume, and this will be 1 cubed over 2 cubed equals, now this is 250 pi over V, we use that for volume. Again, cross multiply, so cross multiply this way and that way, and we get a final V equals 6283.19 inches cubed. So numbers 8, 9, 10 are all the same as what we did in the notes on Tuesday. But number 8 is an example for you guys to look at in case you need an extra example. So those are first part of the assignment. And then the second part is 4 word problems. And I'm going to do one of those word problems with you here on this video. So let me get to that section. So we're going to look at number 11 first. It says, a painter is estimating the amount of paint for the walls and ceiling of a room. The length of the room is 24 feet and the width is 15. The ceiling is 8 feet high. A gallon of paint covers 200 square feet. How many gallons of paint does he need? Now notice, in this particular problem, the painter, he or she, says that the walls and the ceiling of the room are going to be painted. So if we use our original formula, which is surface area of a prism is equal to 2b plus ph, we only need 1b because we're not doing the floor. So that surface area formula is going to be S equals B plus PH. And we're going to find our side calculations we'll do over here. We'll be finding, first of all, we'll be finding B equals, big B is 24 times 15 equals 360. And then big P is the perimeter of the base, which is going to be 2 times 24 plus 2 is 15 equals 78. And of course the height of this particular room, it says in the problem the height is, the height is 8 feet, it says right here. So height, oops, I use green, height is 8 feet. So then we just have to plug in to our equation, and we'll get S equals, right, 360, which is big B, plus P, which is 78, parentheses, times H, which is 8. So that S is going to be, and I'm going to write up here, S ends up being, when you calculate that, 984 feet squared. But there's more to the problem. So they want to know how many gallons of paint they need to paint the room. Well, we know that 1 gallon of paint covers 200 square feet. It says it right there. So we'll say 984 divided by 200 gallons, or 200 feet squared, sorry, the feet squared will cancel out, is going to equal 4.92 gallons. Of course, you can't buy 4.92 gallons at the store, so we are going to round that to 5 gallons. So our first answer will be 5 gallons of paint. And that's how you do number 11. Now, for the rest of the time, try 12, 13, and 14. And then on Thursday, we'll be able to go over these problems in more detail, 12, 13, and 14. But please give them a good try, and as far as you can get on those, and then we'll take it from there on Thursday in class. Have a good day.